Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is having a good day this morning, a good week this morning. Fingers crossed for my week. I wanted to put this video up. I was contacted by a company and, lately, at least for 2019, I want to really kind of slow down a little bit what I do, maybe filter out companies that contact me, because I do get some companies that contact me that I'm really not familiar with. I'll go look them up and kind of get some information on them. And then, I just feel like it may be something I'm not interested in, and then I can't really show it on my channel because I just don't feel comfortable showing things on my channel that I myself would not buy. But I was contacted by a company, City Beauty, and they call themselves a beauty brand that specializes in functional beauty. I found that interesting and I wanted to look into it a little bit more, and let me read to you what they say about their company. So what they say about their company is City Beauty, it's a luxury brand and they are dedicated to formulating skincare and cosmetics that look good and get amazing results. Their products are designed to have anti-aging benefits and they are based in Los Angeles. What they mean by functional beauty, and I will read it to you, is their products are designed to not only make you look beautiful when you wear them, but to provide deeper skincare anti-aging benefits. They're designed with things that sound good to me: skin rejuvenating and collagen supporting actives, hyaluronic acid, oligopeptides, resveratrol, and vitamin C, and that's just to name a few. So when they sent me that information and I looked up some information on the company myself, the products to me sounded great because they weren't just skincare and makeup products. Everything has kind of a purpose. It's not only going to make you look beautiful, but it has anti-aging and skin benefits. So let me get started with what they sent me. I will do a demo of it, let you know how I feel about it, and I will leave all the information for City Beauty down in the description box. If I get any kind of codes or anything like that for any discounts, I will also leave those down below this video. I thought I was going to be able to do one video on City Beauty, but they sent me such a generous, wonderful box of their products. I thought the best way to do it was to introduce you to the products they sent me. If I can, do a demo of each one, tell you a little bit about each one, and then do another video in a couple months to let you know how I'm liking each of the products, because they have probably been one of the most generous companies in sending me some of their products, and I just don't think I can do it justice in one video. So let me just go through everything with you that they sent me, and if I can do a demo of it, I will put a demo in here also. And what's really cool is they sent me these individual postcards on each one of their products that shows me how to use it and what each of the products is for. The first product I definitely can demonstrate for you and let you know how I like it. It is their Line Smoothing Hydra Mask. It is a biocellulose microfiber mask. It has innovative material from natural ultrafine fibers that are designed to penetrate skin pores significantly deeper than non-woven masks. It also has something called ylang, which is an ice plant extract, and that is supposed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, minimize pores, and enhance skin smoothness and elasticity. And of course, one of my favorite ingredients, it contains hyaluronic acid, and as you know, hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule. It absorbs easily into the skin to plump it and fully hydrate it. That is City Beauty's Line Smoothing Hydra Mask, and let me put that on right now, let you know how I feel about it. Okay, it's 4:30 in the morning right now, and I thought it might be a good time to mask. Don't ask me why I'm up this early in the morning, but I was up and I thought, Let's test out this Hydra Mask Line Smoothing Mask from City Beauty. What it says to do is, let's see, mask is between two protective mesh layers. Unfold and peel away one layer of the mesh backing at a time and discard. Do this 1 to 2 times per week on a cleansed, dry face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then just massage the serum back into the skin and don't rinse. Avoid the eyes. Has a lot of liquid on it, which I love when they have a lot of liquid on them and they're not dry. This has a very interesting texture to it. It's very heavy. So that's what the mask looks like. I'm going to take off one of the backings. I hope I can drink my coffee with this mask on because I have coffee in the morning right now. It's sitting on my vanity. Okay, there we go. One in the mesh. They do have little slots here that you can put to cover your lids, but normally I don't do that. I just kind of like to look at my computer when I have a mask on, so I'm not going to do that. And my iPhone is going crazy now. It gets very light when I get too close to it. And now what I'm supposed to do is peel off the second layer that's on top. See if I can get to that here. There we go. And then you want to adjust it. Put this up as high as I can. This up here. Oh, this fits really nicely, really nicely. Yeah, and then I think I'm good. I'm gonna leave mine on for about 20 to 30 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, this mask has probably been sitting on my face for 45 minutes now. I'm going to peel it off. What I did like about it is it really did adhere almost like skin to my face. As you can see, I'm going to take this off. It has a completely different texture than almost any other mask I've ever tried. And I'm just going to rub this in. And it does feel really good. You can see how kind of juicy it's made my skin look. Very, very, really hydrated feeling to my skin. I really did like this. I consider myself kind of somewhat of a masking connoisseur because I mask every day with something. And I really did like this Hydra mask, especially for the hydration it put in my skin. Really, really love that. So I enjoyed this very much and I would definitely purchase these masks myself. The next product that City Beauty sent me is called their Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. I love sculpting creams. I love to use my gua saw little quartz tool to massage them into my skin. This is the little card on this says that it contains easy liance, and that's an ingredient that's derived from the bark of a rare African tree. It immediately forms a contouring network on the skin surface to create a smooth, tightened finish within 5 minutes of application. It contains an ingredient, I think this is called progeline, and that is a peptide that improves your look with a remodeling enhanced firming effect. And it also contains an ingredient called Ideal Lift. It's a cutting edge compound that creates a firmer look for sagging skin that results in a natural facelift effect without surgery. So I love sculpting creams. I've tried one other one that I liked also, but I am dying to try this one. I think I'm going to definitely be applying this along my neck and my jawline. The next product in this box is for your eyes, and it is City Beauty's Under Eye Recovery Treatment. What it says about this is, it contains a lot of ingredients. I will actually list the names of them down here, but I'll tell you what each one says it's for. It contains an ingredient called chronoline. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's an amino acid sequence that's derived from natural growth factors that improves the necessary fuel for natural collagen production, leading to a firmer, tighter skin appearance. Sounds like a good ingredient to me. It contains Hyalusphere, Hyalusphere. That uses a direct delivery system to saturate the skin's surface with hydrating hyaluronic acid to help reduce dryness, hollowness, and shadows. It contains an ingredient called SYN-AKE. I think that's how you pronounce it. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles on contact with dramatic reduction in as little as 2 hours. It contains Beautifeye. A lot of these are trademarked ingredients for them. That protects, strengthens, and improves the look of the dermis. It also helps with sagging upper eyelids, and it helps to reduce the appearance of uneven coloration and fatigue around the eyes. And it also contains an ingredient called Rejuvenox, and that coats aging, suffocated tissues with revitalizing oxygen to reduce the appearance of fine lines and create a smoothing effect for your skin's texture. I have been using eyelash serums. I really feel the eyelash serums have helped my eyelashes so much and really made a difference in my overall appearance. I think it helps make you look so much younger when you have thicker, longer lashes. City Beauties is called the City Lash. It says their City Lash is a powerful lash conditioning serum designed to safely and effectively give the look of longer, fuller lashes. It's formulated with ingredients that support hair health like biotin, keratin, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. This lash conditioner will give long, beautiful lashes with no irritation to your eyes. Over time, City Lash supports the growth cycle of your hair so you'll be able to grow your own natural lashes and eliminate the need for mascara or false lashes. So they have their own lash enhancing serum. And finally, the last group of products are their City Lips. I think I've seen so many people talk about how great these are. They have their City Lips Plumping Gloss and their City Lips Matte. And I already know I tested these out and I absolutely love these already. I'm not going to have to wait a couple months to find out how I like them. The first one I'm going to show you are their City Lips Plumping Glosses. They come in clear and several different colors. In these glosses, some of the ingredients in their City Lips Plumping Gloss are hyaluronic acid spheres. What those are plumping spheres that use your skin's own natural moisture to give wrinkles a plumped up look from the inside out. They also contain something called oligopeptide technology that's supposed to fuel the skin's collagen synthesis and the skin's dermal matrix for increased youthful appearance. They contain jojoba oil that forms a barrier that effectively locks moisture in and keeps your lips looking soft, smooth, and supple. And they contain something called, I think this is pronounced ylang flower oil. I'm not quite sure about that. I'll put it down here. And that's supposed to comfort, soothe, and rejuvenate dry, chapped lips while helping to protect them from the elements. I love these plumping glosses. These plumping glosses actually really do, as soon as I put them on, make me feel like they have smoothed the lines out around my lips, plumped them up. And what I'll do is I'll show you the different colors that they sent me right now. Love these plumping glosses. And the last one they sent me was one of their City Lips Matte. This also contains the hyaluronic acid spheres, the oligopeptide technology, but it also contains a moisturizing oil blend, the ylang flower oil, jojoba oil, that forms the barrier that locks the moisture in, it comforts the lips, soothes the lips, rejuvenates dry, chapped lips, and it contains something called a multifunctional elastomer system. And that is a very unique transformative technology that allows for an emollient, silky smooth glide to dry down to a lightweight, powdery, velvet matte finish. And these mattes are very comfortable on the lips. Did not feel like they dried my lips out at all. So I loved all the City Lips so much. They were so good. Everybody that raved about them were so right. I love the plumping glosses so much. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the products that City Beauty offers. I'll be back in a couple months with a follow-up video because I loved some of these products so much. I wanted to give them 2 shots of YouTube time on my channel, and I want to thank the people at City Beauty so much for sending me so many of their wonderful products and being so generous with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing the products from City Beauty. I will put a link to their company and all their information down in the description box. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.